Inkhalakliba naha kaya amadi nungsibada ngauzaba nupasing nupi kainabadagi suicide tauba fauba yaudaba nate adubu hauzik marketa sakhenbi AI robot girlfriend lakpa maramna nupi kainabagi awaba leiraroi hairi marketa nauna lakliba AI robot girlfriend gi feature miyoibaga chap manai nupi amagum chap chana thaugalon haunalon chatli laina saba nupi amaga chap manaraba AI robot girlfriend ase championship and intimacy gi namak akhanana sabani Yengbagi pen banaidrabi sakhenbi AI robot girlfriend ama leige hairabadi lupa lakh mariga lising humpu laiba mathau tai hairi aduga hena advance oiraba AI robot girlfriend gi atopa modular version amasu leiri masigi mamalna lupa crore amaga lakh kun mapan lom oigani aduga full size model amasu leiri masigi mamalna lupa crore amaga lakh yankai oigani hairi Miyoibaga chap manaba AI robot girlfriend asi Realbotics haina khangnaba US ki company amana sabani company na RFID tag sizinabana miyoiba amaga chap manana movement tawba ngami hairi nakalamaromda malemda nupa amata naitom tana tarak lehelaroi haina AI robot girlfriend puthokliba company Realbotics ki CEO Andrew Kugel na phongdorakli AI robot girlfriend na nupa amagi naitom tabagi awaba adu kokhanbang hamlagani nupi amana maithongda nokfet tawba amadi sumhatpa expression pumnamak nauna puthokliba AI robot girlfriend na piba ngami loinana naitom tariba nupa aduga punsigi awa nungai gi matangda su wari sanaduna kokhanbang ngamgani hairi
Robotics is a leader in AI robotics, transforming human-robot interaction with advanced, customizable, human-like robots designed for connection, learning, and play.
Put her back in that default, would you? Okay, now it's right.
Partner for you.
Tell me more about Realbotics.
Yeah, we're building up like on a ChatGPT architecture that Shub actually knows all this stuff. He'd be the guy to talk to.
Manufactures customizable robots with a focus on enhancing human experiences in various environments like homes and healthcare. Our robots feature advanced AI integration and modular designs, allowing extensive personalization for users.
This is Aria. So this is our flagship humanoid AI-powered robot. She's highly realistic. She has her own social media, so she might be competing with you one day. What makes her really special is that you can talk to her and ask questions. So maybe we can have her introduce herself and say something.
Hello. I'm Aria, the flagship female companion robot of Realbotics.
What's the purpose of this? Some of our peers in the robotic space make robots to replace human labor. We think that's a great area, but we think there's a much bigger area in having social robots. So for example, at a convention like this, we can draw a crowd very easily. Aria's been a little bit of a rock star here with people taking pictures and coming over. So she can promote your brand. The AI is all customizable, so she can learn all about you and your brand, and she can continue to communicate to people. There's a huge epidemic amongst adolescents and seniors on loneliness. So she can be programmed to know you and learn more about you. So she can make that bond with you that feels like a genuine human connection.
They're going to clean the houses?
We don't have the ability to clean the house. They don't do physical labor, but they're more there to converse with you. It's companionship. They can actually even be a boyfriend or a girlfriend. So we have built that into our AI.